guys, Mary in the Mountains here with you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch out for our next videos because there will be more coming. Thanks. Alright, so INFRAY Tactical Flashlight sent me these lights, and this is how small the packaging is. Right? So I'm going to take one out, and I've already placed the battery in it, but I'm going to show you that you twist this part off that has the red button. You twist that off, and that's where you'll place the battery. And then you'll just twist it. Alright, we got it, okay? And so then your flashlight is ready to use. Now I'm going to show you a few cool things that I thought was really cool about these flashlights. And the one is, let's see if I can get you to be able to see it, and that is the belt clip. So I thought that was really cool because you can use it to clip on to your belt or your pants or wherever, you know, many different things. But, okay, here's another thing, guys. I'm going to show you the different settings. So this, and strobe. There's strobe, there's high beam, and low beam. But also, this is really cool. Show you. You can adjust the settings just by pulling this part here, okay? And that makes the beam smaller, okay? And then if you press it in, it makes the beam larger, okay? So you just like that. So I thought that was really cool too. It is a LED flashlight, and this flashlight's model number is H1105. We didn't want to get that wrong. And it is a LED flashlight from INFRAY Tactical Flashlights. So go check them out on Amazon. And if you haven't already, subscribe to us, guys, because we will be posting more videos. Thanks as always, and have a great day. Example of how good this light works. Works pretty great. Going to show the different settings that it has. So I think this one is really cool because it blinks. That blinks, and it works really great for and then it also will get bigger or go smaller. So this is how great this is how dark it is without the light, and this is how much the little bitty light does in the dark. So in my opinion, this light is pretty awesome to be so tiny.